the poets of pinnacle of their time. I also want to thank Mrs. Sunila Sharma, the President of Performance Group of Arts, who has honored me the privilege to be a part of this event. The Search Report. The Search Report was started way back in March 2011, published from Sonal in Himachal Pradesh. The Search Report is merely not just a newspaper. It is a vision dreamt for 7 complete years to create a niche of ethical journalism and to rise beyond the orthodox. Today, I feel very sorry to say that the field which has been the field of pride, the field which has always highlighted the achievement of the superheroes, has always been unbiased. But today, journalism has lost its true pace. We here at Search Report are committed. Initially, when we started the newspaper, we were highly discouraged by our mentors and people who were around us, people from the media line. They said every day there's a new newspaper launched in the market, and every day there's a newspaper which wipes out from the market. So is this Search Report also one of them, which has only come in the market for a few months, or just for a feeling of being a journalist? So we said we shall not speak. Let our words speak. Let our work speak. If we speak highly of words that we will be the best, that is not worth appreciation. What is worth appreciation is when our work speaks. The entire team of Search Report is dedicated to serve the field of journalism to the fullest. We have made all possible efforts to highlight the real side of journalism, to uncover the real life issues, to promote the hidden talents of society, from children to the youth, to the talents who are suffering because of lack of capacity of the promotion techniques or finance, or they do not get so much of exposure. We are making all possible efforts to promote them, inculcating the hidden talents in people. Search Report is a complete package. We have made all possible efforts to give something for every section of society, from a small kid to a senior citizen. We have something for every person, for every age section, for every career. Search Report has the journal news section. Then we have all the recent updates from the national and the international sections. Then we have all the latest updates from the wellness and lifestyle section, which people usually get only in the magazines which are very expensive and published from abroad. We are publishing those information at a very, very economical price of just ₹10 per week. Apart from that, Search Report has also made several contributions to the social sector in the last 7 months. We have organized more than 7 events, from sports to social to cultural to women upliftment, and also to the senior citizens of society. I'm very thankful to the Performance Group of Arts, their entire team, so much of hidden talent. Never could ever imagine that so much of talented people are in this state who are beyond all comparisons. Sunila Sharma, she is doing a commendable job. We don't have a very long association. I just met her last week, and the kind of vision she has for Shimla, for promoting talent in Himachal, it's worth commendable. I wish her all the best, and also want to thank all the senior poets who were here. It was a pleasure having you here, sir, and so much of things to learn from you. Thank you very much for honoring us the privilege to be here as a part of this event. Thank you very much.